How to use Notepad++ for coding. Hey coders, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video gives you a quick rundown of Notepad++, a free and powerful code editor loved by programmers worldwide. Let's jump right in. Notepad++ opens to a clean interface with your code taking center stage. The left sidebar displays the File Explorer where you can open and manage the code files. One of the Notepad's superpowers is syntax highlighting. It color codes your code based on its elements, keywords, functions, variables, etc., making it much easier to read and understand. Want to adjust the look of your code? Notepad++ lets you personalize the font size and color scheme. So go to Settings, Menu, and Explore with Style. Finding your way around your code is a breeze, so use the line numbers on the left to jump specific lines. You can also search for text using the powerful search bar at the top. Need to see more of your code at once? Use the zoom in and out function, just like this. Working on multiple projects or files simultaneously? No problem. Notepad++ allows you to open multiple files at once with its tabbed interface. Simply switch between tabs to access different ones, and here, where you'll find your tabs. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.